Hi friends, it's Liz here. Today I am showing you some new items I received from In Love Arts. I will have all the links in the description box below, and I'm also going to show you a quick project I made with some of the items that you see in this video. Remember to use the coupon code. Again, that will be linked below and on the screen if you're interested in purchasing anything that you see here. I ordered the stamps, of course, but I didn't use those at this point. I did want to check out these papers because when I saw them, they look like they were handmade paper, but what I like about it is that they're just sort of, I guess, designs made to look like handmade paper, so I don't feel as bad if I use it up in my craft projects because it's not real handmade paper. And if you make handmade paper, you know what I mean about that it's kind of precious because it's so difficult to make it. So this is nice, such varieties, sizes, and designs, and I think this is perfect for, you know, your junk journal projects or craft projects. So this was a really nice collection of papers. As I mentioned, I will show you a quick project at the end of the video where I show you some of the items I made using a few of the pieces that I received. I will have links to everything you see here as well, and just leave me a comment if you have any questions. So this was the other set that I wanted to check out, and I really like the stickers. So they I think they're stickers anyways. They feel like they are. And there's some kind of washi style stickers, and then you've got more kind of like paper ones as well, which are really nice, again with the vintage theme. These will be great for collaging on, you know, on your work. I like that there's different shapes as well and designs on it, so these are really fun. Again, something to use if you want to add to your stash of supplies. It's got some little tags and some tickets as well. So the next one here is yet another one. You know, it's hard when you're ordering things online because you don't really know what you get until, you know, you've actually received it. So this is good to kind of see what the pieces actually look like inside some of these packages. These ones I actually really wanted to check out because I thought it was such a great idea. They are stickers, but they're in the shape of like wax seals. And this is like a double packaging here. I like the little envelope, which I'll definitely use in a project. And then the stickers here, I like them because the centers of some of them have like florals in them. So it's almost like you've got some botanicals. I actually think I've got some in my shop that I was about to show you guys as well. So yeah, see how they're just different designs there. So I think those are really cute and definitely something you can use in your projects. Again, it's just stickers that you can use. All right, so the next one is really fun. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to show you is the embossing folders, and I thought I would get these two because I thought this would look so adorable, as you can see there. In different projects, so I really like how that came out. And then the bigger one, this one here, as you can see there, I just put it on this red cardstock, but I don't know if you'll be able to see the texture. Hopefully you can. So it's really nice. I do like how they come out, and I think these types of folders are just great as backgrounds in many projects, etc. Okay, so let's see what I have here. I have tags, and these are super adorable because they look like they've been stitched. So I'll show you, that's what they look like there. So I thought they were really adorable. I haven't quite decided what I'm doing with them yet, but I think it's just a great addition to any project, really, to have, you know, different types of tags. What I have done is I've just kept them together so I can just quickly do, you know, one kind of shot if I'm putting them through my embossing machine, or sorry, my die cutting machine. Okay, so this next project I really liked, and I'll show you what I've done with it. at the end of the video, but I did want to show you, you know, there's different sizes of these beautiful oval frames, and you've got 5, so there's a different sizes as you can see here. And I've used a few of the sizes in my projects, so you can just see how nicely they sort of layer together as well. You end up with these little extras, which I think are perfect also as little labels or tags, so I always keep these. It depends on the paper that you use. This one was on just your regular printer paper, but like the 28-pound that I like to use, and I kind of cut it a little bit. So for sure using cardstock, at least like I would say 60-pound cardstock is better for these types of projects, because otherwise you end up with, you know, the pieces that tear apart. And then also with this one here, which is I think the second smallest one and the smallest one, punching out the little holes is so time consuming. I do have, you know, my little tool that's supposed to help, but it's still very hard to do. So just, you know, just know that for the little ones, it'll be harder. As you get to the larger sizes, it's much easier to do that part. Okay. This one was super fun. And also I did use this in my project. And so you have all these different die cuts here. And if I can open it, sorry, I ended up, just hurting my finger a little bit. It's not bad. I just I like to keep it protected. Okay, so you have all these little bits here, and it also comes with a little spring die cut. So that's what that looks like if you get that done. The flowers here, this one here, as you can see, it actually pops out the letters. So if you wanted to use the letters themselves, I think that's also a great idea. So that's nice to have there. And then you have this here, and they look like tulips. And then the taller one, which is that one right there. Can you? I've just cut it in different sizes so that you can kind of see all that's there. And I did use these in my projects, which again I'll show you in a moment. Okay, so that's the florals, and I'll show you what I've done. I had fun with those. And then the last one is this Paris one, and so you get the actual word Paris, you get ooh la la, and then it cuts out the Eiffel Tower, and then kind of like little fireworks at the top of it, which I thought was super cute. So that's what those look like there. So let me show you what I did. I had so much fun with these. So the first thing I did here is I used the border, the frame, and then 2 of the flower dies there. And okay, so I've been playing with some old supplies, and I had some old stickles, and I kind of tried to give it a little color. I'm not too, you know, excited about it. I might fix it. I'm not sure what I'll do with this, but this was a fun project. I'm actually using the latest printables from Digital Collage Club, and I absolutely love it. It kind of makes it, to me, it comes off like Tim Holtz. So I've just made a little coin envelope there, and then these flip out. I'm going to finish this project and show you in the next video because it's so fun and easy to make, but I wanted to show you kind of how I started that right there. And I'll also link Digital Collage Club's shop on Etsy. So many things, but I'm telling you, this is like right now my most favorite printable that that she has in the shop. So that's one there. And then this one here, again, I'm using the little, you know, I you know what I'm talking about. So I made another kind of little card, you know, just super easy and fun. This says, I look at you and see sunshine. So I thought it was really cute. I just added the ribbon, but I really like how, you know, you can kind of do a nice kind of layered effect with the ovals, the framed ovals there. And I really like that. And then lastly, I was just making cards because I thought, why not, right? So lastly, again, that's this tall one here. And again, I'm using some very old dried up supplies because I just want to use them up. So I've got this really dried up ink from Tim Holtz, you know, the distress inks, and they're just both so, oh my goodness. Anyways, what I did is I just kind of wet them on just like my stamp acrylic. I just put some water on it, and then I kind of, you know, had a little brush and then just kind of painted it, and I thought that looked really, really cute. So anyways, I painted that. I do have a little die cut that says hi on it, so I added that. And then this background paper, again, it's from what I was mentioning, the paper collection from Digital Collage Club. I am in love with it. I have to show you more projects with that coming up, but I think that looks really cute. And then again, it's just a card that I just kind of wanted to make. So that's my little 3 projects so far. I hope you like the share. I will have all the coupon code details on the screen and in the description box below if you wanted to buy anything at In Love Arts. So many wonderful things. I had so much fun playing with these ones. I'll definitely be using more of the items, and I'll show you those later. As always, questions, comments, please leave them below. Let me know which one you like best. I really had fun with all of them. I might cover these up. What do you think? Should I just cover these up and start over with these ones? Because I think if I just kind of you know, use my other cut up ones, I can kind of rework it. I don't know. What do you think? Anyways, let me know what you think. I will talk to you very soon. I have some awesome things coming up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are a subscriber, you are going to like the details in my next video or so. All right. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.